Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing something different. I have 6 different small vases that we got from Matthew's family, and I'm gonna be looking at my garden and cutting up the flowers and just placing them into the tiny vases. For example, this is one of them. Look at this, beautiful. So if you wanna see how I pick and choose the flowers for the perfect vase, keep on watching. Yes. Something different, guys. I'm gonna be picking some flowers from my garden to put on these 6 beautiful vases. They come from Australia, from Matthew's parents. So yeah, so we're gonna go in the search of the perfect flower. So let me just show you the different kinds of vases that we have. This is the vase that you saw me with the gardenias on them. It still smells of them. This are the vase. So they're basically the same size vases. They're beautiful, you know. I love them because they're tiny, you know, and you just can put them into different spots in your house. This one we got a present from them when they came back in 2015 to Portland. So Matthew, I'm gonna ask Matthew to give you a few the history of all these vases, and yeah, so he can just explain it to you better than I can. So guys, so I'm wearing this shirt, this Hawaiian shirt today, just to be on the same motif as the video. And I'm wearing my wolf shorts, which I love. They're very comfortable. I'm wearing my sandals. I don't even know the brand. I'll link it below. And I'm wearing my Seiko solar watch. This is powered by the sun. My Hawaiian ring. My Swarovski crystals bracelet. Just think I love them, you know. Yeah, my Hawaiian ring also. And my wedding band. Yeah, keep going and find the perfect flower for the perfect vase. Yes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put you. So I have this kitchen shears and I have this basket. This is where I'm gonna put the flowers on. So I'm gonna show you as we get them. So I have that yellow flower here. I think that would look great, so let me just go pick it up. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm gonna leave this attached. Let's keep looking, guys. I think most likely we're gonna be using a lot of hibiscus. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. The yellow one. Look how cute this is. And you call the vases are very tiny, so they call for small flowers like these. So I'm just gonna take the so delicate. Perfect. Look at this one, guys. Look how delicate that one is. Oh. These are the details that really make a room, you know. These are so cute. This one. Wait a minute, I just saw beautiful ones. Look at this. These ones are beautiful. Look at this beautiful. These are making a, how do you call it, like a combination of beautiful colors. So guys, I don't have any experience doing flower arrangements, but you know what? I think nature just guides you. Okay, so let's keep searching. I'm gonna go into the big hibiscus tree and get more. This one. Gorgeous. They really have no smell. Hello. So we have 6 vases, so I'm gonna get at least 6 hibiscus. This is perfection. Oh my god, I'm gonna get some from these baskets. Yes. Look at this, beautiful. It looks like a mini rose. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm telling you, these are perfect flowers to put on the tiny vases. That Matthew's gonna be reading you the history of all of them very soon. Gorgeous. Wow. I'm sure we have more than enough, or you know what, guys? It's better to have more than this. Look at this beautiful here. Oh my goodness. This is priceless. Oh my god, it smells really nice. Okay guys, so I think I have enough flowers. You know what, let me just keep taking a few more. I love this color. You know, it's, to me, flowers is like the color of life. You know, they only come like once a year, at least these kind of flowers. You know, you have to really appreciate and just enjoy them. You know, it's beautiful. A little bit of this. I'm gonna take some rosemary and use this as foliage. First, tell us about your mom.
So my mum, she passed away in October of 2019. So she collected over many years a number of different pieces of porcelain and china. Now these 2 pieces are Balik china made in Ireland. This is a stem vase from Royal Dalton, the Old Country Roses design. This one is actually made in England. Old Country Roses is a very popular Royal Albert design. It has been produced since 1962. This piece is a small vase. I actually bought this for my mother in the early 2000s, probably in 2002. I went to Vienna for a work trip. I think I was on the way to Berlin, or on the way home from Berlin, or maybe from Paris, and picked it up at the airport. I knew my mother was very fond of fine china, so I bought this piece of porcelain for her there, hand painted in Vienna. And it actually has a number on it, so I assume that they only made a certain number. It's very pretty. This piece is Wedgwood. I think my mother probably picked this up at one of the family stores of Salvation Army or St. Vincent de Paul, or she may well have bought it brand new. It's Wedgwood. The pattern is called Angela. Bone china, Wedgwood, made in England. And this is a Waterford crystal vase. I'm not sure where Mum collected this one from. I may have given it to her.
No, that's more than father gave them to us. Lemons they came from back in 2015.
Oh, okay. So they visited us in 2015 and they bought this for us. It's very nice. Wedgwood. Waterford. Irish crystal. Waterford Irish crystal.
Hi guys, we're back. So I'm gathering all the flowers. And I'm going to put them right over here. So let me show you. Thumbnail. So I have a lot of variety here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in the table, all of them. So I can visualize, you know, what belongs to what vase. This, how they look once I'm done. made from the different flowers. This is when you appreciate this, when you appreciate having your own garden. You know that you can just do this in peace. You don't have to worry about asking anyone. All these beautiful flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at this. So now I'm gonna start picking what goes. You know, I'm just gonna let the flowers sing to me and place them on the vases. So let me just put you back in here. Matthew brought me some water. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in all of them. Okay, so this vivid red, I don't know. I think, you know what guys? Okay, so do you see the pattern on this vase? I'm gonna match the colors that we have in here to this vase in here. So I see that we have some of this color, and I think it goes perfect with this color. You see? So this flower belongs in here. So I'm just gonna clear all the green out. You see? The vase will sing to you. How beautiful. And it also has a yellow. So I'm gonna use some of these tiny yellow flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this combination right there. Perfect. So I'm gonna put some more. Okay guys, so look, this is number one. Look how beautiful this is. You see how this matches the top in here? Yeah, it's number one. This vase, the details are the tiny roses. You see? So this is mostly pink. So I'm gonna use these flowers. These flowers. And this matches perfectly. It's like a match made in heaven. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? That was gonna go in there too. And this one too. So look how beautiful this looks. Try to match the motif from the vase to the flowers that you put on top. This is gorgeous. Yeah, vase number 2 done. Some flowers to make these colors in here. So I think I'm gonna have to go. Also, gonna be mostly this in here. Also a little bit of this. This. And this is vase number 3. Look at the colors matching the flowers. Yes. It's so easy guys, just let the vase sing to you. That's gonna have this in there. These are the tall ones. Fence or any kind of a placement of top or decoration, it's best when you do blocks of 3 than doing a block of 2. For some reason the brain the way the brain works, that it likes to see like the pairing of groups of 3 instead of the group of 2. Okay, so look at this, beautiful. It has 3 branches. Sometimes less is more. So let the vase speak to you. So this is beautiful. Okay, so we have one, and this one I'm gonna be doing, because this is the tallest, I'm gonna be doing all the hibiscus. I'm just gonna take, look how beautiful that looks. So you will feel the vase, but it will not overpower it. Simple arrangement, hibiscus and branches of rosemary. Gorgeous, so good. So I'm gonna put these red flowers in this vase. Look at this. This color. Like this is gonna be my fire, my fiery vase. And then I'm gonna put this beautiful yellow one in the center. This looks out of this world. Okay guys, so here are the results of the beautiful 6 different vases with the 6 different flower combinations for my garden. Each one has its own character. So this one is, aren't they beautiful, all of them? So yes guys, you know what, if you go and buy this, it costs you a fortune, but look at this. Each one has their own history, and each one has their own uniqueness. And yes guys, so you can do that too. Just go looking in your garden, you know, and just find pretty flowers that call your name, and then just get the vases, any vase that you have. It doesn't have to be these ones, you know, and just have fun with it. And yeah, so this can go in any room in your house, you know, and it's gonna make look gorgeous. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Share my content with all your friends and family. And guys, until the next one, take care of yourself and each other. TaTa.